Hi, people.
Hey, queens! I'm kidding. Today I am playing a Roblox game called Banana Eats. And I am here with...
12 pace.
Yay! Sorry if I haven't posted in like a few months.
Stop the music. You. Are you dumb?
It's because I'm just focused on my school. And I just didn't have any video ideas.
True that.
Oh no, I didn't have a chance to vote. No. I cried. So if you don't know what this game is, it's basically like a piggy game, but with a banana. But instead of getting eaten or getting hit once, you have 3 chances. And if you lose all of the hearts, then that's when you get eaten. And this game has like puzzles which you need to solve in order to lessen the time or... And then... Oh my god. Ah! Run, my boy. Ah!
Let's go. I got out.
Good. Ow! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh my god! How is it not getting me? Okay, let me solve this puzzle real quick. If the banana's coming, tell me.
I help you.
Thank you. I really need that help. Yay! We did it! Whee! 30 seconds has been...
Why do I walk so fast when I am crouching?
I walk so slow when I... Ah! Oh my gosh. I need to find another puzzle to do. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Ah! I'm stuck in the banana! Ah! Get me out! Okay, I think I have time to escape. Hey! Ah! Whoa! Oh my god! It was literally in front of me. Oh, what? What? I didn't escape! Okay. Another one. Cue weird transition. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm the banana. I'm literally right next to the exit. Got it. I'm gonna get you. Hello. You suck at running away from me. Get over here, my child. How could this happen to me? Okay, let me do something real quick before I get eaten. Cake! Do you see him?
Hello. Yes, he attacked me.
Ah! Oh my goodness! That banana looks disgusting. Boop.
I got a cake. Where did I put the cake?
I wish I could show you, but there's no map.
Why is this kid only going after me?
He thinks you're not banana worthy.
Yo, this is not fair.
Oh my, no! Why did you get eaten? He doesn't understand you. Okay.
Coronavirus!
Running, I'm running, I'm running. Running, I'm running.
No! No! This banana keeps coming after me!
I told you.
Oh my god, stop following me! Oh my god!
Well, isn't that like the end of the video now?
Oh yeah, it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You probably didn't. But if you did, please like and please subscribe. And please subscribe to the Treasure Will Plays. I'll put his channel in the description. just like how he's gonna promise me to put my channel in his description. And then I'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
No.
You're mean. Bye.